What's up guys, Vismars here. So I just got this in the mail. It's a Nimslo 3D. This camera is equivalent to the Nishika, the well-known Nishika. I was first introduced to these 3D cameras through the Muramasa video. The Muramasa video is one of the reasons why these 3D cameras are really famous. I was about to actually buy a Nishika, but then I started reading reviews on it and I noticed that a lot of people are complaining about how plastic and fragile it is. There's two reasons why I chose this one over the Nishika. The first reason is because it's built a lot better. It has a lot of metal integrated parts, so it's a lot heavier and better built. The second reason is because it's a lot smaller as well compared to how big the Nishika is. It's kind of like a mirrorless camera, the Nishika, but this one's more of a point and shoot size camera. So these were actually specifically made for lenticular prints. So that's actually something I want to get into a little bit more rather than just doing a lot of the GIF effects. Obviously I'm going to be doing a lot of the GIF effects. So let's actually start unboxing and see what comes in this package. Oh, I should probably. Box right here. A bunch of bubble wrap. So there it is. The Nimslo 3D. Instructions manual. But the actual. This is the strap right here for the camera. And for the actual camera, here you go. So there you guys, you can see it's point and shoot size. So yeah, that's the Nimslo right there. So for those who don't know, so this takes 35mm film. So it takes 4 images, all side by side. So each process takes 2 spaces of the roll. So I'm actually going to be doing a photo shoot with this today. I'm going to be using the Nimslo here, 3D, Canon EOS R. For those who don't know still, this is Canon's pro grade film, 35mm film camera. So I'll be doing a photo shoot with these two, and let's actually go meet up with my friend and start the shoot. Alright, so I just picked up my friend here, Brandon, and we're about to head over to my other friend. Oh, let me turn on the music. We're about to head over to my other friend's house and we're gonna use his car as a prop. He has like an old school E30 BMW. Since it's light blue and then he has light blue eyes, I don't know if you can tell right there. You'll see it in the photos. But the car is light blue, so I kind of want to get that mixture with the photos. So let's go. This is the car I was talking about. As you can see, it's a BMW E30. It's like a light blue color. So I'm gonna get not only photos of my friend Brandon here, but photos of the car itself. I'm using the EOS R and the Nimslo. Start with the Nimslo and get some photos of Brandon here on the edge. So that wraps up the shoot. We used the BMW here with my boy Brandon. Be sure to follow him on social media. Also, thank you to Victor over there. It's gonna take a while because everything's closed, so I'm gonna have to get them processed by a friend or wait till the film store is finally open. Until then, I won't be able to see the photos. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys next time.